Okay, so in coming concept, we will discuss about document.write message. So we already done with alert function. We already done with the prompt function, and console.log function also we done. So now let me go with document.write method. So what is the benefit of document.write method? So let me tell you, document.write is a JavaScript function, is a JS function or JS predefined function. See, what is the meaning of predefined and user defined? Predefined means what are the different kind of methods which are going to be available by default from the JavaScript. That is basically called a predefined function. And whatever the message which is not from the JavaScript, which is available from the user side, that is a user defined function. So now let me go. Document.write is a JS predefined function which will which is used for print browser top messages. So let me write to one simple program on that. Document.write. You can write a single quotes or you can write a double quotes also. You can write a double quotes also. Document.write double quotes also. You can give the single quotes or you can give the double quotes both. Okay, so let me show how document.write is going to be working. So D is the small letter and W is also small letter. You can give the single quotes or you can give the double quotes. Both you can able to work out. Right? And one more important point is document.write function is used for create dynamic JavaScript or dynamic HTML also. So what is a kind of dynamic HTML? I will tell you. Okay, let me go with the program. Go with the program and save it as document.write. Inside the JS, document.write. Document.write.html. Let me go with the script over there. Let me go with the document.write and hello script. And let me go with the one more thing, document.write. I want to create a simple heading tag. This is basically called a dynamic HTML. Hello JavaScript. One more time I'm writing hello JavaScript. And H1 need to be closed. H1 need to be closed. How to close the H1? Should be like this. H1 tag need to be open and H1 tag need to be closed. Tag open and tag close both should be available. And after that, I want to write H2 also. Let me write H2. H2 open, H2 close. Let me write full stack web and mobile applications. Full stack web and mobile applications. Okay. That is a one more document.write. I'm trying to writing multiple document.write functions. First function is basic empty function, which is going to be having the plain string data. Hello JavaScript. And coming to the next line, third line, document.write H1 I'm writing. So what H1 can do, it will create the heading, H1 heading. But this is dynamic HTML. Dynamic HTML is nothing but when the browser was initiated, when the document was initiated, some H1 is going to be writing. See, one thing observe, I am not writing any HTML code over there. One thing can be observed, I'm not writing any HTML content on top of the program, on top of the editor. I don't have any HTML code. I'm having completely script section here. This is completely script section. You know that. This is script block. Am I right? This is completely script block. I'm not having any HTML inside this. I don't have any HTML block. I don't have any CSS block. I'm going with only script block. But inside the script block, I'm trying to creating the H1 tag and I'm trying to creating the H2 tag also. And let me try to execute the program on top of the browser. Open the browser over there. And you can able to find out two things. The first one is hello JavaScript. That is a plain text. That is a plain string. And after that, you will be having one heading, H1 tag, hello JavaScript. And after that, you will be having H2. That was full stack web and mobile applications. Not only headings, not only the headings, not only the paragraphs, whatever the list item, for example, I want to create a list item. If you want to create a list item, you can able to create through the document.write. Document.write. Okay, for example, if I want to store the name value, name is equal to, I'm just giving the name as Srinivas. And inside the document.write, I want to get the name is something, name is, and give the concatenation. See, what is the meaning of concatenation is string plus string. See, plus is an operator which is available in two kind of ways. Plus is an operator which is working as an arithmetic operator when we are working with the numbers. And plus working as concatenation operator when we are working with the string data. Now we have the plus which is working as concatenation operator. So we have the name is something. Name is plus name. Name is a variable, right? Name is a variable, right? Name is something. So I want to get the name value here. I want to get the name value here. Finally, so if I run the program, already program is running. So you can run this program. So name is Srinivas. I can able to see name is Srinivas. Document.write is properly working. Document.write is properly working. So name is Srinivas is going to be getting printing on top of the browser. And this is not enough. This is not enough. For example, I want to store the first name. Yes, let me store the first name. So when you create a variable, better you can give the keyword called var for JavaScript 5, let for JavaScript 6. This is JavaScript 5. I'm writing about JavaScript 5. First name is equal to something like Rajesh. I'm giving a first name as Rajesh. Where last name is equal to something like S. Okay. Finally, I need to get the full name of the person, full name of the employee. So where full name is equal to first name plus concatenation. This is concatenation and space I want to take. Space I want to take or underscore I want to take. Then give the last name. Underscore name. First name plus underscore plus last name. Can you please observe here what is going to be happening? Can you please observe here what is going to be happening? We will be having the S1 string 1. This is string. At the same time, this is string. At the same time, this is string. How many strings we are concatenating now? We are concatenating totally 3 strings. First string is first name. Second string is underscore. Third string is last name. We are concatenating totally 3 strings. And finally, I want to show a full name of the person on top of the screen. Full name of the person on top of the screen. This is something like first name, last name, and full name. But I want to print full name of the person on top of the screen. How to print full name of the person on top of the screen? Just look into this. Now, document.write. Again, document.write and full name is then, comma, I want to give the full name. Full name of the person or full name of the person is, and you can give some dots here. Dots is also string. Then you can go with the concatenation again. So concatenation is full name. I want to give the full name finally. Now, full name of the person is one string and full name is one string. String plus string, concatenation. String plus string, concatenation. You need to observe it. Okay, so finally you can open the browser and see the output of the browser. What is the output of the browser? So output of the browser is full name of the person is Rajesh S. But what is happening? Name is Srinivas, full name of the person, both are coming in the same line. So HTML have default feature. What is the HTML default feature is strings always coming in the same line. By default, all the strings come in the same line, but I don't want to show in the same line. Then what I can do for this? I can do a simple magic. What is the magic here is I want to give the break. So after this name, I want to take a break. So how to create a break using by the JavaScript? This is what actually called a dynamic HTML. See, I'm not writing any HTML content here. I'm not writing any HTML content here. Completely, I'm going with a dynamic HTML. Dynamic HTML is something from JavaScript. But dynamic HTML can be created using by the document.write. Dynamic HTML can be creating by the document.write method. So if you have any questions and queries, just give the comment in the comment box of the video. I will resolve it. Okay, please share, subscribe the channel. If you want to go with the multiple videos, if you want to follow with the multiple videos, go and subscribe it. And come to the comment box. If you have the questions and queries, you can contact me. I will give you definitely reply when I get a free time on this. We'll go for the further topic in the coming session.